The battle between the DJI Neo 2 and DJI Avata 3 has quickly become one of the most discussed topics in the drone community, as both of these next-generation FPV and cinematic drones redefine what compact aerial filmmaking can achieve in 2025. DJI, known for consistently pushing drone innovation forward, has taken two different approaches with these models, one aimed at immersive FPV flying, and the other designed for effortless portability and creativity. The DJI Neo 2 builds upon the success of its predecessor by introducing a more advanced stabilization system, a redesigned camera module capable of 5.1K HDR video recording, and improved low-light performance, all while maintaining its ultra-compact design that makes it ideal for vloggers, travelers, and aerial content creators. On the other hand, the DJI Avata 3 focuses heavily on the FPV experience, now featuring a larger sensor for crisper detail, enhanced transmission range via O4 video technology, and a newly optimized aerodynamic design that improves speed, control, and durability during acrobatic flights. Both drones benefit from DJI's latest flight safety features, including omnidirectional obstacle sensing, improved return-to-home precision, and AI-assisted subject tracking that keeps even fast-moving subjects perfectly framed. However, where the Neo 2 stands out is in its portability and user-friendliness. Its folding design, lighter weight, and intuitive controls make it a top pick for beginners and creators who want cinematic shots without diving deep into FPV mechanics. In contrast, the Avata 3 is engineered for professionals and adrenaline seekers who crave manual flight control, speed, and immersive first-person visuals through the updated DJI Goggles 3, which now feature higher refresh rates, wider field of view, and reduced latency. Under the hood, the Neo 2 uses an upgraded chipset that enhances image processing and flight responsiveness, while its new battery system delivers up to 46 minutes of flight time, an impressive leap that outlasts many competitors in its class. The Avata 3, despite a slightly shorter battery life due to its high-power motors and FPV nature, makes up for it with more agility, faster acceleration, and precision steering that feels natural even in tight spaces. In terms of camera quality, the Neo 2 integrates DJI's latest color science and HDR engine for more natural tones and cinematic depth, appealing to creators who want ready-to-share footage straight out of the drone. Meanwhile, the Avata 3's 1.3-inch sensor with D-Log M color profile support gives professionals greater flexibility in post-production, making it ideal for those crafting commercial-grade videos or dynamic action sequences. Connectivity is another highlight. Both support Wi-Fi 6 for ultra-fast transfers and remote firmware updates, while the Neo 2 introduces a companion app powered by AI editing tools that automatically cuts and color corrects clips, giving social media creators a massive productivity boost. When it comes to accessories, DJI has designed a range of modular add-ons for both models, including ND filters, propeller guards, and charging hubs. But the Neo 2 also gets a magnetic quick-attach mount system similar to the Action 5 Pro, making transitions between handheld and aerial shooting faster than ever. Pricing-wise, early leaks suggest the Neo 2 will launch at around $699, while the Avata 3 will start closer to $1,299, which reflects their different markets, one prioritizing creativity and accessibility, the other emphasizing performance and precision. For those seeking smooth cinematic and stable footage, the Neo 2 is easily one of DJI's most versatile drones to date, blending portability, long battery life, and advanced imaging into a sleek package. But if you're into FPV racing, immersive flight, or cinematic chase scenes, the Avata 3 reigns supreme with its unmatched speed, fluid controls, and professional-grade camera system. Ultimately, DJI's strategy with these two drones shows how the company continues to dominate both the casual and professional drone segments by addressing different creative needs without compromise. The DJI Neo 2 stands as a symbol of simplicity, travel readiness, and creative automation, while the DJI Avata 3 represents power, control, and full-throttle freedom in the sky. Together, they paint a picture of DJI's evolving vision for 2025, where drones are no longer just flying cameras, but intelligent creative tools built for everyone from content creators to professional cinematographers. Whether you're filming breathtaking landscapes, dynamic sports footage, or cinematic reels for social media, both the DJI Neo 2 and Avata 3 prove that aerial storytelling is entering a new era, one where image quality, intelligent automation, and immersive experiences converge to redefine what's possible with a drone in the hands of any creator.